Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can't win without this one thing. But before I get started, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for almost 20 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So what is this one thing that you can't win without? It's passion. All right, it's passion. Why is it passion? Because if you're not passionate about what it is that you're doing, it's impossible to stay consistent, right? And we all know that consistency is the true key to success. Having to show up every day, putting in the work, and staying consistent day after day after day, even when you're not getting the results that you think that you should be getting, or that the results that you want to be getting, right? It's passion. You have to have passion for what it is that you're doing. And without it, you're never going to build an empire. It's not to say that you can't have success, but if you're trying to build a network marketing company and build a big organization underneath you, you have to have passion because, people will see that. If you're just going, making videos or you're just posting to try to sell something all the time, people see that, but people can definitely decipher whether somebody's passionate about what it is that they're doing versus, just in it to make money. Because the passionate people are the ones who show up every day, they're consistent, they're constantly doing income producing activities, and they're getting results that they're sharing with everybody. That's what passion is. I am passionate about network marketing. I'm passionate about direct mail marketing, right? More letters going out today. I'm passionate about social media marketing. I make video content all the time. I show up every day. This is my true passion. I feel that this is what God put me here to do. To build an empire and to help people who are willing to help themselves build an empire. I eat, sleep, and breathe marketing. So you have to find whatever it is that you're passionate about in life and go for it. Maybe marketing isn't for you. The first 10 years that I did this, I was jumping from program to program to program to program. And looking back on it now, I was chasing money. I was just chasing money. I was doing it wrong. You want to stop chasing money and figure out how you can help other people win. And when you start helping others, you're going to see your empire grow. And it's not going to happen overnight, right? You're not going to build an empire overnight. Empires are built brick by brick by brick by brick. And each brick is a postcard you send out, or a letter that you mail out, or a piece of content that you create, or a phone call that you make. And by slowly doing these income producing activities every day, over time you're stacking the bricks, which build your empire. But the main thing, you have to have passion about whatever it is that you're doing. Because without it, there's no way you're going to stay consistent. You're just going to be jumping from program to program to program. And I know that because I did it firsthand. I have firsthand experience with that because I did it for 10 years. The first 10 years of my marketing journey. That's what I was doing. I've been in more programs than a lot of people, And it's not, like I said, it's not to say that you can't have success or that you can't make any money, but you're never going to build an empire, right? And building an empire is what sets you apart from people that are just making money. When you build an empire, you're building generational wealth that you can leave for your family when you're not here. And that's what I do. That's, passion is what you need to build an empire. Consistency is what you get from being passionate. Because without being passionate, you just, it's easy to put things off to the next day. When you're tired, you don't feel like doing something. I'll just make a video next week. It doesn't really matter. Nobody's signing up. But when you're passionate and you show up every day like I do, that's when you start getting results. And that's when things take off for you. That's when your empire starts being built. Okay, the only reason I show some of my results is to show people that what it is that I'm preaching every day works. You just have to be willing to show up. And most people, for whatever reason, they don't show up. Or they show up for a week or two or maybe a month and then they're gone. They're on to something else. And that's okay. Maybe they're trying to find something that they're passionate about. But once you find something that you're passionate about, a business opportunity, a product or service that you can stand behind 10,000%, focus on that. Build it up. Build your empire. You can always add more income streams later. Because once you start getting one income stream and you start adding, I mean, people are, there's mixed feelings about adding other income streams. But listen, the richest people in the world have 6 to 7 plus income streams, okay? They're not just doing one thing. Look at Elon Musk. All right, he has lots of businesses. All right, as an example. So, and all the other big, Richard Branson, all these big business moguls, they do all different things. They have multiple businesses, right? But build up that first one. Build up that first one. And just show up every day. Having passion, with passion, you can outwork anybody if you have passion. All right? Because you're going to show up every day. And most people, 98% of people never show up every day. They just show up when they want to. When they're done binge watching Netflix and done doing things that will never produce income for them. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But just find something that lights you up and just go for it. Just go for it. You have nothing to lose. You have nothing to lose, right? And if you don't go for it, you're going to be in the same boat you're in right now. So find something that lights you up and go for it, okay? I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.